Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about the NuFace Mini Plus, a microcurrent device that has been trending everywhere, promising lifting, toning, and firming results without expensive spa treatments. We use it consistently to see if it actually works or if it's just a hype. The device is sleek and compact, easy to use, and comes with a conductive gel you apply before gliding it over your skin. Pros first. It is convenient. It gives an immediate temporary lift, and it does make the skin look firmer right after use. Over time, we notice slightly better contour around the jawline and less puffiness. It's also travel friendly, and the sessions only take about 5 minutes. Now for the cons. The results are temporary and require daily consistency, which not everyone can commit to. The conductive gel is an extra cost, and the device itself is expensive up front. If you stop using it, the results disappear quickly. Some people may also find the microcurrent sensation uncomfortable, although it's not painful. Overall, the NuFace Mini Plus can deliver visible but temporary results, making it a decent option if you want a non-invasive lift at home. But it's definitely not a permanent solution, and we would call it more of a maintenance tool rather than a miracle anti-aging product. This has been How to Do, keeping smart and simple and scam-free.